Alright, homies, we're back. Our light's a little scarce in here. I gotta figure out how to make this turn on all the time, but you know. Don't roast me too hard for this, but the paint's already shot, so. Alright, we're on to manifold studs now. Getting those boys out. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna need our good old friend Fire. Oh. Yeah, that looks great. That looks bloody fantastic. Imagine having to do that inside the car. Oh god. That would grind the gears, that's for sure. Alright, let's get some fucking heat going. Oh, there's a lot of those. But anyways, we're gonna heat these up. I'm not gonna spray them all because I got the garage door closed. The fuck is my later now? Yeah, a little bit of a mess. It's kind of late at night. I'm tired, but gotta get her done, you know? Gotta get her done. But yeah, like I said, fire. I'm telling you, years off the life. Oh, look, that wasn't even tight. What do you know? Crazy. Oh my god. This is interesting. Holy shit. What? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's a little scary, but yeah. Made my job 20 times easier. That's for sure. I don't even know anymore. I'm surprised this thing didn't have a crazy exhaust leak. What is that? Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright. Was not tight either. I don't even know what the f that's all about. What is that? There's no way that's from the factory like that. There's like a lug nut on there. This is the most wild shit I've ever seen. Exhaust valves are nice. Some carbon buildup, but open the floodgates yet. Alright, we back. Gonna keep tearing apart this. See if I can get this transmission dislodged. Much stool to sit on because standing's been kicking my ass, so we're gonna everything's a 13. I'm at a 13 on this here unit. Ooh. Oh. Oh, perfect. I stripped right. End of the world, actually. Better than what I thought happened.
There's the oil coming out of there. What a battle. We won. At what cost? I don't know. But we won. Time to order some food. I'll catch you guys in a bit.